Should I install solar panels on my home? And the answer is no, don't do it. Let me tell you a few reasons why. Solar panels are often touted as a great way to save money on your energy bill, but the reality is I often see it cost more than the people ever save. The upfront cost of solar panels by itself is significant. It'll be tens of thousands of dollars, and you'll also need to pay for installation. Also remember, solar panels don't produce electricity all the time. They only produce electricity when the sun is shining, so you still have to rely on your utility company at night or on a cloudy day. The lifespan of solar panels is limited. They typically last for 20 years, 25 years, so you have to factor in the cost of replacing them down the road. If you're considering solar panels, it's important to do your own research, but I see that solar panels are the #1 cause of turbulence within real estate transactions that we do on a daily basis. If you're thinking about doing some home renovations, you're not alone. Some renovations have a bigger return on investment, and I want to give you 3 examples of that here today. The most popular is kitchen renovations. According to a study by National Association of Realtors, a kitchen renovation typically recoups about 75% of the cost. Number 2 is a bathroom renovation. Bathroom renovations on average recoup 71% of their cost. Number 3 is landscape. Landscaping upgrades add instant value. You typically get almost 100% of that investment back, assuming that you don't go crazy. And also, whenever a buyer does come to your home and look around, they have a wonderful first impression. What happens whenever you're ready to sell a home? A lot of people say, I want to sell a home, I know it's different, I've sold a house before, but it was some time ago, another state, whatever it is. What's that process? And let's talk about it real quick. So 3 quick things. Number 1, we'll be happy to come over to your house and give you an analysis of what your home could sell for in today's market. So let's just talk about this. It depends on a couple of things. What's the market doing? What's the community doing? What's the neighborhood doing? What upgrades do you have to your house? Our expert realtors will sit with you and go through a comparative market analysis to determine exactly what you could sell your home for. And while we're there, we'll present you what's called a net sheet that shows you not only what do you sell it for, but after mortgage and attorney fees and all that stuff, what do you walk away with? How much do you have in your pocket? That is a completely free consultation if you're interested in selling your home. And while we're there, we'll tell you about all the different marketing strategies we have to maximize your sales price and put the most in your pocket when it's all said and done. Make sure you like and follow if you're interested in buying a home, and we'll teach you exactly what that consultation looks like too.